Nature's superfoods boosting vitality through nutrition offer a remarkable pathway to optimal health and energy. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that rejuvenate the body and mind. In this video, we'll delve into 11 incredible superfoods that have the potential to uplift your vitality naturally. Whether you're seeking to enhance your energy levels, improve your immune system, or simply achieve a greater sense of well-being, these superfoods have got you covered. Nature's superfoods boosting vitality through nutrition. Superfoods are nature's gift to humanity. They provide an abundance of nutrients that are crucial for the body's optimal functioning. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can lead to a significant improvement in your overall vitality. Let's take a closer look at some of the most potent superfoods that can boost your energy levels and promote a healthy lifestyle. 1. Kale, the ultimate green powerhouse. Kale, often referred to as the king of greens, is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron, kale offers a range of health benefits. Its high fiber content supports digestion, while antioxidants combat oxidative stress. 2. Blueberries. Tiny berries, massive benefits. Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants that protect the body from free radicals and support brain health. These delicious berries are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, making them a perfect addition to your diet for vitality enhancement. 3. Quinoa, the complete protein source. Quinoa is a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, and B vitamins. This superfood is excellent for sustained energy release and muscle repair. 4. Chia seeds. Small seeds, big nutrition. Chia seeds are a versatile superfood packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They provide a lasting energy boost and promote satiety, making them a valuable addition to your diet. 5. Spinach, nutrient-rich leafy green. Spinach is rich in iron, which is essential for maintaining energy levels and preventing fatigue. It also contains a host of vitamins and minerals that support overall vitality. 6. Turmeric, golden spice of health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. It supports joint health, brain function, and immune system strength. Incorporating turmeric into your meals can contribute to your overall well-being. 7. Avocado, creamy goodness for energy. Avocado is a healthy source of monounsaturated fats, which provide a slow and steady release of energy. It's also loaded with potassium, vitamins, and fiber, making it a fantastic choice for boosting vitality. 8. Salmon, omega-3 rich fish. Salmon is a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats support heart health, brain function, and reduced inflammation, all of which contribute to enhanced vitality. 9. Sweet potatoes, nutrient-rich carbs. Sweet potatoes are a complex carbohydrate source packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They provide sustained energy and support overall health. 10. Green tea, antioxidant elixir. Green tea is renowned for its antioxidant content, particularly catechins. It boosts metabolism, aids in weight management, and promotes a state of calm alertness. 11. Dark chocolate, indulgence with benefits. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that enhance blood flow and brain function. It also uplifts mood and offers a delightful way to indulge while nourishing your body. Conclusion: incorporating nature's superfoods boosting vitality through nutrition into your daily diet can have a transformative impact on your well-being. These nutrient-dense powerhouses are designed by nature to support your body's energy levels, immune system, and overall vitality. By embracing the variety and richness of these superfoods, you can embark on a journey towards optimal health and a more vibrant life.